Hey guys, this is the Volare that I've been working on. Um, this car it's pretty nice. I did quite a bit of repairs and little stuff that it needed. I restored these Magnum road wheels. These are 7-inch wide wheels. Paint is pretty good. There's one spot on it that's not so good. The interior is really nice. Whoever had this car before was, I guess, a bit of a heavy smoker. There's a couple of burns on the carpet on the transmission hump. Nothing major though. I mean, the carpet could be changed. This wing, I don't know what this is from. Somebody put this on at some point. The car is a slant 6. It runs good. It's got brand new tires on it. It's got brand new complete front brakes, rotors, calipers, pads, lines, everything. It's got a new idler arm. I repaired all the electrical issues that it had. It's a slant 6. It's got 89,000 miles on it, but the car is really a cream puff. It runs really good. I tuned it up. It's got a newer battery in it. There's all new wires, new cap, rotor. There's a repair that was done on the wipers. Needed a high beam switch. The headlights weren't working right. The radio's been repaired. I added rear speakers to the car. It's got a good radiator. It's got a good air conditioning system. It could use a vacuum in the air conditioning system and a recharge. I recharged it. It's not really cold as it should be, but like I said, it just needs to be, I think it just needs to be cleaned and recharged. The chrome is all good on it. All the stainless is good. Again, somebody did a touch-up, really bad touch-up on the paint, and that is right here. I don't know what that was all about, but they covered it with yellow. It looks like yellow latex paint. These Magnums are all redone. The only thing the car actually needs is the speedometer cable. I'll probably be replacing that soon. And I think that's it. I have a list there. Oh, it needs an exhaust head pipe, which I'll probably end up replacing. Well, again, the horn's been repaired. The high beams were repaired with a new switch. Wipers were repaired. Somebody had them with a toggle switch. Washers, new pump and hoses. Stereo's been repaired and rewired. New speakers. Carburetor's been rebuilt, and the choke has been adjusted. The air conditioning works. The dash lights, I had to get in there and replace bulbs. There's a new idler arm. Again, the front brakes are all new. It's got a fresh tune on it. The road wheels are restored 14x7s, and the tires are new 225/70 14s. And that's about it. If anybody's interested, oh, there's another thing that somebody put a spoiler, chin spoiler on the front. I don't know what that's from either. But if there's any interest in it, just let me know, guys. I'm looking at another project, so something's got to go. And I don't know, for some reason this Barracuda just stays with me. And so the Volare may be going. But thanks for watching, guys. Bye now.